Hey, sweeties and swoons, it's your girl Candy, and I'm just getting back from my video viewing party. So I'm going to do a blog TV. So if you're up and you're just chilling, come over and holler at your girl, cause child, today, it has been a long day, baby. Oh my goodness, anything you can think of has happened today. So I'm definitely about to tell y'all everything that went down. So if you're not doing too much, come kick it with your girl chat and listen to this crazy ass day, baby. And I am going to record this, so even if you can't come, maybe you can come on and look at it, cause child, today has been a very trying day. So press the link right on down there and come holler at your girl, babies. I'm gonna give you a few minutes so I can see, if y'all gonna come call at me. Just say holler. Chat on, I'm so damn tired. I'm all tongue-tied and things of that nature, child. But I'm about to be on. So by the time you see this, I'll probably be on already. So come on over, babies. All right, bye.